welcome back to my channel. These sunglasses are so stunning. I love them. I thought it was the perfect opportunity to wear them, like green on green. Such a vibe. I don't know if they're a distraction, but they are such a vibe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this plain polo t-shirt to this super cute, perfect for everything. It's perfect for a party, it's perfect for summer, it's perfect if you want to look cute with your man. It's just perfect. So if you're interested in seeing this perfect DIY, no sew, no glue, no sew, no nothing, just scissors, I got you. Gonna cut all of this.
All of what?
All of this off. From where the zipper meets, all of it off. But we want this cute little collar.
Bring me more ones if that ass hits the flow. I'ma go ahead and let this cash go. So sharp, stop playing with him.
paydevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only and that's a lesson.